Educational Module, Machine Learning, Learning Unit, Introduction, Brief History, and Common Tasks. Machine learning was coined in 1959 by Arthur Samuel. Already in the early days of artificial intelligence, researchers were interested in having machines learn from data. The first attempts included perceptrons and probabilistic reasoning. A perceptron is an algorithm of binary classifiers. A binary classifier is a function which can decide whether or not an input, represented by a vector of numbers, belongs to a specific class. The increasing emphasis on the logical, knowledge-based approach caused a rift between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Probabilistic systems were plagued by theoretical and practical problems of data acquisition and representation. By 1980, expert systems had come to dominate artificial intelligence, and statistics was out of favor. A good example of this were artificial neural networks. Their potential was dismissed by almost everyone as an academic math puzzle that is computationally very expensive with no practical uses, and as a result they were abandoned. Machine learning started gaining traction again in the 1990s, with a shifted focus away from the symbolic approaches it had inherited from artificial intelligence, and toward methods and models borrowed from statistics and probability theory. As far as neural networks are concerned, the breakthrough came the mid-1980s with the reinvention of backpropagation. The major paradigm in AI research has shifted from a knowledge-based approach to a machine learning-based approach. Machine learning benefited from the increasing availability of information in recent years. Here we can see the main summaries of each decade. The most common problems in machine learning are the binary classification, which aims to estimate the value of a data point or pattern, to possible values. The multi-class classification, which aims to estimate the value of a data point or pattern, range of different values. The regression, which aims to given the pattern X estimate a real value variable Y. As an example, the system can perform an estimation of a company's revenue next month. Once Mala, A. and Vishwanathan, SVN 2008. Introduction to Machine Learning. Cambridge University, UK, 32-34. Clustering aims to group a set of data points in such a way that objects in the same group that is a cluster are more similar to each other than those in other groups. The novelty or anomaly detection, which aims to determine unusual observation given a set of past measurements. What is commonly considered unusual is an event that occurs rarely,